Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be featuring the Backtalk palette by Urban Decay Cosmetics. This palette features blush, highlight, and eyeshadow as well as a detachable mirror in the center. I'm first applying the Party Foul highlighter to the highest points of my face, including my cheekbones, bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, and Cupid's bow. Now I'm applying the Double Take blush to the apples of my cheeks and then starting on eyeshadow. The first shade I'm using is called WTF, and I'm applying this to my crease using a fluffy blending brush. The second shade I'm using is called Backtalk, and I'm also applying this to my crease, but using a slightly less fluffy blending brush than before. Before adding any eyeshadow to my lid, I'm quickly blending out the area where I applied Backtalk with the same fluffy brush that I used to apply WTF. I'm then applying the eyeshadow called Shade using a small blending brush to the inner and outer corners of my lid. You'll see me switch brushes to a flat packing brush because I decided to spray it with some setting spray and make the color more intense. Before adding any eyeshadow to the center of my lid, I'm taking a fluffy blending brush and blending out the area where I applied shade, and then I'm taking a small precise brush and placing some concealer in the very center of my lid. I'm then applying the shade Curve using my finger to the area where I applied the concealer. It's now time to add eyeshadow to the lower lash line. I'm first sweeping the shade WTF onto my lower lash line using an angled fluffy brush, and then I'm taking a more precise brush and applying the shade Backtalk closer to the waterline. Now to finish off my eyes, I'm taking the shade Bare and applying this to my inner corner and brow bone. Now to finish off this look featuring the Backtalk palette by Urban Decay, I'm of course using the Backtalk Comfort Matte Lipstick. I really love this collection by Urban Decay and hope you love the look that I created with it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!